Alright. So yeah, hi guys. The update for today is that in quants I did the remainder theorem or the factor theorem, which I didn't understood, so I decided to skip it. Also, I did the quadratic equations, not the quadratic equations, the cubic polynomials with quadratics, and the quadratics, the basic ones also, which also I didn't understood, and what I decided earlier in for algebra was that I will only do the basic or the easy ones and skip the difficult ones. But after seeing this, I think I will skip the quadratic equations completely, and also the remainder theorem or the factor theorem topic completely. Like, I'm not able to understand the basic ones also, the root things, the polynomials things, factorizing them and whatnot. The subtopics are like the polynomial roots, factorizing the roots or something. While the faculty is solving or explaining them, I am not even able to comprehend what is trying to say. Like, just the basic things. I don't know if I am that bad or the topic itself is that difficult. Any which ways, I don't actually care that much, because either way, if I put my all of my brain into it, even then the output which I will get is not that satisfactory, I guess, and it will even take a lot of time for me to solve it in the exam conditions. So I guess it's better to skip it and focus on the ones which I'm at least not this bad at. Sure, I might not be good in everything, but I will for sure not be this bad at any topic. I'm certain of that. So this is a plan so far. And a lot of guys also said me to not skip algebra. Like, geometry questions are easy to comprehend, but in exam conditions, or even not in exam conditions, it take a lot of time to solve. But I think this thing I will not even able to solve algebra. I think not algebra, but this topic which I mentioned right now. Of course, I will do the other algebra topics and do the basic ones. Whichever I can do, I will do it. If it goes beyond my head, I will skip it. That's the mantra or the plan for algebra so far, I guess. And yeah, apart from that, in DI I solved 3 puzzles. Yeah, from previous year mocks. And in VRC I did this. I'm using a resource called .99. I will make a video on that on this Sunday. It's very good, guys. It's also free. So I will make a dedicated video and I will let you guys know about that. It's great. And apart from that, I analyzed the mock which I took. I did the analysis, but I did the questions which I skipped. I solved them, and yeah, we called it a day. And that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.